I want to talk to you about the importance of system design in your games. Specifically, we'll discuss how designing systems that are expandable and detachable can streamline the development process, making it more efficient and manageable. Let's use one of the systems I designed for our market management tower defense game as an example. An important aspect of our tower defense style game is being able to interact with the towers you place in the world. Imagine this problem. You have two interactable objects placed closely together, but you only want the player to be able to interact with one of them. Here we have two weapon build points, but since we're between both of them, they both become interactable. This is something you've probably run into in your own games, and it's something we ran into as well. The solution is, of course, a system that handles all interactions in the game. To do this, I created two new scripts, an interaction handler, in the form of a singleton, and an interactable mono behavior. The interaction handler loops through the list of objects with the interactable component attached to it, and checks if the player is one grid space away. If the object is close enough, it automatically adds itself to the list of possibly interactable objects. If not, it will remove itself from the list. Since each interactable object is aware of what its index is on the list, the object with the highest priority will always mark itself as interactable, while the rest do not. As you can see, while simple, this system is both expandable and detachable. Since each interactable object is responsible for registering its own interactions, we can change them to do most anything. Additionally, if we ever needed to, for some reason, we could disable the system entirely and nothing would break, aside from obviously now the player can't interact with anything. At some point I want to talk about our grid manager system, but I figured this problem was more relatable to us game developers. I hope you enjoyed taking a little peek at how our game works. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.